In front of me is Honor 20 Lite, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on the following device. So at first just open, for example, messages or any other place that you can enter the text, but I will choose messages, and as you can see currently we are set up with English, so we can smoothly use English keyboard dictionary. And also you've got the autocorrection in English. If you'd like to change it, just tap on more icon, select settings, and here you will notice languages. Smoothly mark the one that you would like to apply. Let me choose Chinese. And tap on confirmation mark. Let's go back. Now let's switch English off. And now you will be able to see the difference. So as you can see, keyboard dictionary has been changed. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.